Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, this morning, myself, Saniq, and Craigie T were a part of Fame FM's Full House Fridays, which was so full. And today, we decided to have them on our show. We welcome Valeria Johnson, Janice Young, and Colin Hines. Now, big scandalous man in the place. Because I'm tell you, see, listen, you see, when I left and I was heading to work, me hear you, I thought about thanks for having daytime like you do some people in the bed.
I didn't
I can't believe it. I heard that.
Me?
I remember sure I'm tuned right to Fame FM after I leave to hear. If you know when you leave somewhere you want to hear them chat you after you left, that's what I did. And I heard Janice.
But anyway, I didn't say that.
So were you guys in support of the Bring the Bait Forward movement that he was trying to pilot?
It really is dependent on the timeline.
The timeline.
If I get home at 2 a.m.
Right.
and I have to be out at 5 a.m.,
Right.
chances are, based on the temperature of the water, the
Right.
bathing not really go on.
So you bathe at 2 a.m. or you bathe at
2
5
a.m.
So you do
But
the
I'm
2
not
a.m.
going to
bathe.
wake up again and bathe after I bathe 2 a.m. when I just reaching
But
dirty.
2 a.m.
But what
morning
difference between
though.
12? Listen, let's go to the subject here, man.
That's okay.
Today's topic we will be discussing for, yes.
No, hold
for
on.
ladies and
Today's topic is for us ladies, Janice, okay?
That's all right.
We want to know, right? What if women were to objectify men? How do you
Oh, we
think the
don't?
men would feel? We don't?
don't?
Well,
We don't do that?
I don't.
I'm
How do
sorry.
you think the men would feel or react when a woman takes the lead or take charge? What do we think, Janice?
I think some men are intimidated by that.
That's right.
They like to be the hunters and the gatherers and not necessarily those that is hunted and gathered, right, Colin? So you like the pursuit. And that's why sometimes guys even like when women play hard to get because at the end of the day, they want to feel that they have worked for this and that they have showed their machismo.
Machismo.
Yeah.
You know what I love? That the men are sitting there
Hold on,
like,
wait, I know Colin
nodding
want
a
to dive
little
right
bit going,
into it, but
I know.
you're not
Yes,
taking this.
Valeria.
Okay,
No,
yes.
no, I don't mind it as long as she spend the money.
Hey! So you're saying if she's going to take charge, she should take charge in every
everything.
area.
Yeah, man. What do you mean?
All right. What's your thoughts?
yes.
If you're a confident man, you know in your mind who is in charge. Let her feel like
Yeah.
she's in charge.
Hold on a
That one
second.
feel like.
Hold
What
on,
you
let's
mean?
rewind a little bit. You're saying that if you're a confident man, you actually know who is in charge, i.e., not the female?
Yeah, but that is something that
yeah.
is held in your conscious.
Okay, I hear what you're saying.
And look, some men are confident enough to allow a woman to lead.
Yeah.
It takes
It
nothing,
depends on-
it
depends
takes
on in what
nothing
area.
off you. Really.
Depends on what
I like
area.
the
It
idea.
doesn't emasculate you.
Right, I see.
Right.
I
Because
see.
true me know some born in control.
Yeah, right.
So anything will come adjust.
Yeah.
Seriously.
I like, you know, that's the simplistic way to look at it.
You gone.
Some of us really have nothing to
We,
prove.
we have some very
like that.
chauvinistic men in
No,
Full
but
House
he's-
Friday. Big up Full House Friday. To my left and to my right.
Right. So how is it being the woman in the middle? Like,
Listen, it's a constant struggle because at the end of the day, you find very fun, yes, but aggressive kind of opinions from the men. And especially if it's a man versus woman opinion, oh God, me and poor little Anna as a producer alone,
She gets
I have to defend.
The
She
problem
gets
with it
beaten
is,
up a little.
is that she don't really know the woman duty.
who?
She-
This young lady here?
All the while she tries to step cross her boundary.
He's
That's where
905.
we're
He's 905.
Well, on a
Okay.
second.
So his
wait, no.
idea of a woman's role is very
Right.
different
Because
from
that's
mine.
where we want to
Okay.
steer the conversation. No, I mean, you have this traditional view of what the responsibilities and such are. And Valeria, you started to share that
Yeah,
idea.
she believes that but first thing she can cook. So,
Janice-
and she believes that the man must be able to cook.
So wait, so she needs to be able to cook? Is that what you're saying?
But there's a criteria of how a woman.
They- that's what I'm saying. Criteria.
There's a criteria.
Criteria. Because
Alright.
apparently when you're born, you get a handbook.
Yeah, you don't get the handbook, you get a
Yeah,
mother.
but
Oh, Colin,
Janice,
Colin,
by her own admission, can't cook.
No, no, no.
And you
no,
need
no, no, not by my own
Steady
admission.
on.
No, but hang
be
on a
careful.
second.
You
Be
need-
careful. Be
you need to
careful.
improve.
Hold
I
the
can't-
line. Hold
I
on
can't
before.
cook.
No fighting on daytime live,
What
people.
I have said, what
We
I have
are
said, guys,
lunchtime
regularly.
show.
No, regularly.
Hold on a
regularly,
second.
I
Hold on
can't.
a second.
I don't bake.
So are we saying,
I can
men at the table, are you saying that a woman needs to be able to cook?
It's
Otherwise, she's not,
a woman?
by definition, a woman?
Then suppose me take
no,
signal
no,
out.
no, no. I'm not
Suppose
saying
what?
that.
Me take signal
Call
out.
a doctor.
Okay.
Well, I want to hear Colin.
I'm
Colin,
not saying
yeah.
that, but yeah, you want to arm yourself with enough weapons, and as a woman,
Sure, so that's a weapon?
Yes.
That?
it's
Thank you.
it's
That's
part.
a weapon?
It, yeah, as
If
a
you- if you
woman
want a
being
woman to
able
wash,
being
cook,
able
and
to
clean,
cook, it is
a weapon.
one of the elements
that makes them a
of being attracted to.
What's your... Okay.
Let me be real.
Come on,
I have
let's not
I
pretend
know,
as if.
I know, I
Hold on,
know.
let's not pretend as if most men don't find a woman who can handle her kitchen well very special. So let's not go around
Okay.
run circles.
But
round.
don't you- I
and
want to
it's
ask-
not demeaning to say that a woman is better off being able to cook.
Yes.
Hell yes.
Of course.
I
You're
like,
better off being
I
able to
like
cook.
that. I like
to be,
that.
to be
I wanna
honest,
ask a
I've
question,
always said that I can cook. What I've always said though is that my oven is storage. I don't
Oh,
do
yeah,
the
that's
baking
true.
thing. I
Right.
do the stovetop and me are good friends. But you say come to baking,
Joel?
storage.
I think we didn't get the memo
I mean,
here on the
listen,
show.
I no, really,
I
no,
think-
because when you mention cooking and that kind of just.
But a man who cooks is sexy though.
So
I
that's
like my
okay.
men
So I
who
like we
cook.
bring back the balance. But what I
Yeah.
want to know, all right, see that we're talking about the women and the role and tradition and whatever. Why when men give orders, it is seen as bold and dynamic, but when a woman comes forward, it seems as a little probably she's a. I don't want to use that word.
Domineering,
She's domineering.
bossy,
that's the first thing.
aggressive.
Or that B word that people tend to use.
Hello. When woman give order, sometimes them order for going in the wrong direction.
Oh God. I'm lost.
Was that a driving reference?
Valerie Buffett Johnson, ladies
Boy,
and
Valerie,
gentlemen.
have
You must
it
have right
this-
driving in direction with men. Come in
Valerie,
and
have it
direction
this
all the time.
afternoon.
You know what?
Listen.
I am sitting here and
Young
I am,
men, you're
I
a young man, right?
enthralled.
Yes, sir.
Anytime you go buy
Have the
land,
conversation.
or house, or car, no carry your wife with you. You go buy it and carry it to her and say, darling, look at that, what I just bought. I bought a lovely piece of land at Cherry Gardens. I think, because she must find some fault.
So
He's
it's
been
pretty much
through a lot.
okay. So what I get in from Valerie is that you have hold on, wait. Say you have it. Okay, I'm confused.
But can I ask a question? Here's a serious question. Let me ask, particularly the men at the table.
Oh God.
Okay, you have a woman and she's not necessarily gifted in the kitchen or like the home. However, she's gifted at running an empire, so she's financially very stable. She gives orders often. She balances her responsibilities well with regards to that. However, she doesn't cook and she doesn't clean necessarily, but she has a cleaner and she has money to buy takeout. Yes. Is she less of a woman?
She's a half a woman or something.
She's half of a woman. Okay,
She's a woman,
she's a woman.
but she's just a woman who can't cook.
But you see, my thing is, hang on a second though. But you know what? They're not gonna make me go. I have been trying to be calm, you know, guys. I've been trying.
Wash, cooking and cleaning is a helper's
Because,
duty,
hang
not
on
a
a
wife's duty.
second. Men are not necessarily, we've taken away the labels for men and we've taken away the labels for women, particularly here in Jamaica. You have a lot of men here in Jamaica that can't provide well and they're staying at home because that's where they're gifted. You have a lot of women in Jamaica that's in power, in leadership roles and stuff like that. I am surprised that we're still having this kind of conversation though,
No, hold
or
on.
this stance on the conversation.
No, and I think you're twisting things
Half a
out.
woman over here.
No, you're bending things out of shape. And
Okay.
I said she's a woman who can't
can't
cook.
cook.
No, where I stand, being able to cook is a good thing. Now, a woman who can't cook, does it make her less deficient? Does it make her less of a woman? No. But she's a
Let me
woman
tell you something. You see,
who can't cook.
let me tell you something. You see, when a man
She
works,
can't cook.
the house part-time life is the woman supposed to take the money and run the house.
So you're both working. What happens then? Both of you are
Put
working.
your little piece if
Both
you
of
don't
you are
want to
working
put
9 to
any.
5. Whose
Listen,
responsibility is it then
The
to look after the house?
man's money run the house.
Okay.
Good.
Well, you know it's
No.
2017, right?
It
I
is
don't care.
2017.
I don't care.
905.
And I
It's
was why that
905.
that's one of the reasons why we have so much mix up.
Because
and
there's a blurring of roles?
Your money is your money, and your money is
Because
your
there's a
money.
blurring of roles.
Hold on,
Yeah.
John is boiling. Janice,
No, but hold on, we can't get another ball in and we have 30 seconds left.
Quickly, Janice.
So I just want to thank you all for coming on the show. This is an awesome conversation. I love
I don't wanna hear what
the
Janice has to say.
transparency. And I think we need to carry on the conversation, which we will do in a moment. What I would just like to end on is each to their own. Every
Ladies who-
relationship to its own.
Ladies who can cook are
You're
sexy.
watching daytime. Be sexy. I can't cook and I'm very sexy, sir. Welcome back to daytime. Join us after the break. Daytime Live will be right back. Come to use this signal to know what's happening.